Hello, let's talk about something interesting. What I did today. I make my profile on a LinkedIn and that is pretty much good. And I try to find out how to learn freelancing, how to create own writing, and I never find it. But I really want to find it, and I just make a profile and take a one step toward my career. Let's. I have no idea about freelancing at all, but I really want to know what is this and how to be done it. By practicing and training, I think it will be done, and it will take a time. So stay with this problem. What is your problem? You want to learn freelancing, this is your step, and you have to stick with this step, and then after 6 to 1 year you can find you are able to do or not. At least you do one work with over the year, then you recognize you are good at all or not. Yeah, of course, why not? So make sure that no, I have to stick with it to finding my passion. It will take a time, so just relax and do it with consciousness, not on consciousness, because conscious, if you do your work with consciousness, then you get your remarkable result. Because without deep learning there is no specific space for learning. So with deep learning, you can understand the whole things and the whole process of freelancing. What is the freelancing and how to be done it, and how to connect with people through freelancing. And you have to be secure. You have to be certain about your dream, your achieve whatever you. I know that you have a no any idea about it, and at least you have a no any background about it, and you have just you have just arrive your passion through internet, through all things, I can say. Because this is the age information, because all information is available on internet, you can see easily. And some information may be wrong, but all information are not wrong, because all good information are available on internet. And depending on your ability, what you are finding, and how can you find your main goal, your main purpose, that is the exact you have to find. And I know that you want to become you want to learn how to do freelancing, then you have to good at your writing skill. Look, you have no idea about how to write, but still before some time you are not able to write at least half page, but now you are able to write at least 2 page. So that's a great move toward your ability. It's okay. You can try it more and more to finding your passion. Absolutely. If you are not test you are if you are not tested this life, how are you recognize your passion? No, you can't recognize. Just being with yourself and just start to learning how to do this. It will create a new neurons in your dopamine, and it will increase your dopamine also. So this is the how you can do, and this is the main reason you have to do. And first of all, this whole process or give you a right understanding, that will help you to upbringing your children. Yes, that's great idea. You can do it and following your passion. What are you interested? If you are do something, then you can recognize your interest. Absolutely right. So you can do, and if you are any recommendation, then you can try to more and more. By finding your passion, right it will be a right choice for your career. So this is my today's conversation. I think I am able to explain my feeling, my thought about freelancing, and this is enough for my stage. And it will go ahead gradually. Yes. So it is okay. Bye bye.